Hey guys, this is Noah with Learn Meta-Analysis, and today I want to show you something that I did that saved me so much time, because nobody likes having tedious tasks that they have to do. Well, I had a situation where I had an image that had a bunch of words in it, and I needed to get the words out of it, and I didn't feel like sitting down to type them all out. And thankfully, since I've been playing with large language models lately, I was like, you know what? I bet a vision model can do this. And you know what? It can, and it did it well, and it did it fast. So let me show you how to do this. So we are going to be using Granite 3.2 Vision. Now, the really cool thing about this, other than the fact that you guys know I like Granite a lot because it's performed really well in pretty much every task that I've asked it to do, is I'm going to use this vision model because it is only 2 billion parameters. It is super, super small, which means it can run on many, many, many devices, including mine. So I downloaded this model, and let me show you this. This is just so cool. So I have this image. I'm going to show you what picture we're going to deal with first. I have this picture, which is just a picture of a Word document, and it says, the bird that is the largest falcon is the gyrfalcon. They are really beautiful birds. Now, what if I need to get that in text form, right? Like I need to put it in an Excel sheet or something. That's the situation I was in today, where I had some image with some words, and I needed it like actually as text, not as an image. So all I did was I click and drag my image in, and I say, please print the words on this image to text. I'm just going to copy that so that we can use it again. And we give it a second to think about it. Look, the bird that is large falcon is the gyrfalcon. They are really beautiful birds. Ha! How awesome is that? Now check this out. Check this out. This is the coolest part. Can you convert that to a .csv compliant format? And look. Now we have it in CSV format. So here's the thing. This thing is so awesome. Like, how long would it take you to do that? Probably not that long because there's not that many words in this sentence, right? But I was dealing with something that was like 150 or 200 words. So think about how long it would take to sit down and look at a picture and type it all out. That would take forever, right? So the next question you might be asking is, can you do this with like an Excel sheet or something like that? And the answer is, let's find out. So I'll show you the next picture that I have. I just put that same sentence. It's kind of hard to call it a sentence. I put that same jumble of words into an Excel document, and then I took a screenshot of it, right? So I have a screenshot here where it's got the little lines and everything. Let's see if that messes it up. So I'm just going to click and drag it, and I'm going to put in the exact same thing. Please print the words on this image to text, and we will see what it says. The bird that is large falcon is gyrfalcon. They are really beautiful birds. Boom, done. Right? Okay, so I really hope this is helpful for you. This, like I said, this saved me a lot of time today. A lot of time. Really a lot of time. The point that I want to make is vision models are cool. I hadn't really used vision models much. I mean, I've used them for things, but not really something like this. I hadn't really thought about them too much in terms of productivity because in academia, I just don't do that much where I need this type of task done. But like I said, today I had like 10 or 15 pictures that all had a bunch of words in them, and I just needed the words so that I could put it in CSV format and then put it in an Excel sheet. This saved me disgusting amounts of time because I got it done in, I don't know, 30 seconds, maybe a minute tops, whereas sitting down and actually typing the things out, making sure there's not typos, all that would have taken me, probably at least 10 minutes. It would have been horribly annoying to do, and I would have not enjoyed it. As compared to this, I just click, drag, drop the image in to open Web UI, and give it a very basic prompt. I just said, please print the words on this image to text, and it did it. And it did it correctly, and I was so happy because I didn't have to sit here and stare at an image, well actually a bunch of images with a bunch of words and type them all into another document. So I hope this little tip is helpful for you guys. If these kind of things are helpful for you, please like and subscribe to help support the channel. We have all sorts of really cool academically related stuff in relation to large language models, but we primarily focus on systematic review and meta-analysis stuff. For all of you out there thinking, oh no, I can't believe he did another AI video. I know, but trust me, I have a huge meta-analysis video on the way for us. It is something I think everybody is going to really, really, really enjoy. It is just a disgustingly long video, and because of that, I am making sure that every single piece of it is right before I start recording every single piece, because I don't want to have to go through and like re-record absolutely everything or go back in and do major edits and things like that. Just know I have a super secret project that I'm bringing to you guys. I think you will be super excited about it. if you like meta-analysis stuff. It brings together a lot of the questions and comments that people have asked about for basically the last 6 months, 9 months that I've run the channel, and I've had meta-analysis content on there. So for you guys who are meta-analysts and systematic reviewers, super cool stuff coming. Just please be patient. I'm going to try and have it posted within about 2 weeks or so. I'm not 100% sure I can get it done in that time, but I'm really, really, really going to try. So just know, if you're into meta-analysis, really cool stuff coming. It's going to be worth the wait. And thank you for putting up with the LLM videos if you're not totally into LLMs. But anybody who is, I hope this is helpful. I will see you all in the next video.